Fennel is a versatile and aromatic herb that has been cultivated for centuries for both culinary and medicinal purposes. It belongs to the Apiaceae family and is native to the Mediterranean region. Fennel has a distinct anise-like flavor and is known for its culinary use in various dishes, as well as its potential health benefits. Successful fennel farming requires understanding its growth requirements, cultivation techniques, pest and disease management, and post-harvest handling. Welcome to Discover Agriculture YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit that button now and don't forget to click the bell icon for notifications on new videos. Climate and soil. Fennel thrives in regions with mild winters and moderate summers. It prefers well-draining soil with a pH range of 6.0 to 7.0. Sandy loam or loamy soils are considered ideal for fennel cultivation. Propagation. Fennel can be propagated from seeds. Direct seeding is commonly practiced, with seeds sown in rows or beds. The seeds germinate within 10 to 14 days under optimal conditions. Planting. The recommended planting distance is around 12 to 18 inches between plants and 18 to 24 inches between rows. Watering. Fennel requires consistent moisture during its growing period. Adequate irrigation is essential, especially during dry spells. Fertilization. Incorporating well-rotted organic matter before planting can enhance soil fertility. Additional fertilization may be necessary based on soil nutrient levels. Weed control. Proper weed management is crucial during the initial growth stages. Mulching can help suppress weed growth and retain soil moisture. Harvesting. Fennel leaves can be harvested once the plant reaches a sufficient size. The bulbs, which are the most prized part, are ready for harvest when they are firm and about the size of a tennis ball. Conclusion. Fennel farming holds promise not only as a culinary herb but also as a source of essential oil and potential health benefits. With the right cultivation practices, fennel can thrive in suitable climates, offering farmers a diverse range of applications and markets. As consumer interest in natural remedies and unique flavors continues to grow, fennel farming presents an opportunity for sustainable and profitable agricultural ventures. Hope you liked this video. Share this video with all friends and don't forget to subscribe Discover Agriculture channel. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.